In this video, you will see how to flip image in Word document. You can flip the image horizontally like this to create a mirror image. It's very easy. First, you need to click on the Insert tab and then go to Pictures and select the picture from your computer to insert it into the document. You can resize the picture, and after resizing, right click on the image, go to the wrap text and select in front of text. So now you will be able to move the image freely anywhere inside the Word document. If you want to create a duplicate copy, just copy paste the image, and now we can flip the copied image. To do that, just click on the image to select it. Under the Picture Format tab, you will see the option of Rotate. Click on the drop down and select the option Flip Horizontal to get the flipped image. You can also completely flip the image like this using your mouse in any direction like this. And if you want to rotate, just click on this arrow and then you can rotate the image in any direction. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to images in Word document. See you again in the next one.